Hi everyone and welcome. I've been waiting for this for a while, and finally it's here. Another devlog. Make sure you join our Discord server. If you want to support me, please join our Roblox group and purchase my shirts that my friend made for me. Shout out to Mr. BaconTube. I'll leave links in the description, and now enjoy. Alright everyone, starting with the name tag and the health bar that I added. It does look good so far. I wanted to make the players to see each other's names and health. I also changed the dust effect texture, and I probably go in to change it again to a different texture. I changed the jumps animations and added force into them, and a trail toe make a satisfying jump effect, and this is how it looks like. Not gonna lie, I enjoyed making this jump effect, and I will add more cool features for the jump pads and speed pads. You might notice a camera effect when the player is walking forward or backward. I made it for both. I added the default box skin for our game, and it looks clean. I hope you guys like it, and this is how it looks like. There is also a pointer that points on the boxes, and I will add some signs to make sure people get a box before starting to run. And now for our first system. And I think you guys might saw the video for this one. It's the satisfying damage part video. Basically, when you hit it, a particle effect will emit, and a nice animation will play. The same way as the spinning spike, but this time the spikes goes up and down, and it has the same hit effect, and the only difference is damage. I also added a moving platform. It's going to be useful to travel between spots in each map. There will be variant of them. Once the timer ends, I added a smooth transition. So after the timer is up, players will be teleported back to the spawn to start another round. I will add more into it, and of course nothing is final. There are also some small details that I will work on more. There will be more obstacles in the game for sure. It's going to be a little challenging, but I hope you guys will enjoy it. This is another obstacle that I made. It does less damage than the spikes. As I said, the only differences are the damage they deal and maybe some effects. This is an explosive rock which has a dynamite. Once you touch it, it will explode and push you away. It's a fun obstacle to add for collectibles. We have an ice obstacle in here. It makes you walk slow if you are moving forward, and it amps you faster if you are moving backward. And if you touch the ice spikes, you lose health. And now to a fun part, a collectible health kit. The green one gives less health than the red one, and guys, if you want me to make a video on how I made this health kit, please leave a comment, and can we reach 30 likes on this video? The currency design is not finally for now. We have a box that you can collect. I might keep it, and I might change it, and this is how it looks like. We have a balloon that will push you up when you hit it and explodes. Once the player die, a ragdoll will play, and a screen that will show a random message for the player, and this is how it looks like. That's it guys for this devlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you join our Discord server and our Roblox group. Have a nice day. And if you want the health system, like and sub. If we reach 30 likes on this video, I will upload it.